Hello friends and welcome back to my channel AI Elevate with Chetan. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make stunning AI images, thumbnails, logos, banners for your YouTube video, and you can make even more stuff using this AI tool. It's easily available. You can go and try it out, and I will show you a quick demo how you can use this tool by simply writing a prompt, and within seconds you will see stunning images created for you. So let's get started.
Once you log into Ideogram, this is how the interface looks like. On the left side, you see these sections. At the bottom, you see notifications and your profile. Here is where you enter your prompt. As you can see, here are the various customizations that can be done. If magic prompt you want to enable, disable, or let the system decide, so you can keep it on auto. This is the aspect ratio. If it's an icon, then you can go for 1:1, and if it's a YouTube video, then you can go for 16:9. And if you are using to create a reel, then you can choose 9:16. The visibility will be public. Model, so here are the three models. You can choose any of this. 2A is fastest, 1.0 and 2.0 are the other two models. And the tile you can choose at grid, or these are the styles. Tile, let's keep it off. Here are more options. Let's keep everything as a default. And if you click on generate, you will be needing some credits. So you can go to your account here below and check the credits. Now I have 8 credits left for my free account. So basically when you log in to this website, you will be getting 10 credits for free. And if you upgrade this plan, then you will get more credits. See, here you can see the plans that are available for Ideogram. Now that I am on the free version, so this is what I get: 10 credits per week. So every week I will be getting 10. So next week I will getting more 10. I will be able to use them. Limited access to Canva, and here are the other plans. If you check this $7 plan, which is the basic plan, here you can see there are 400 priority credits per month. So if you need to use it regularly, you can buy a subscription plan. If not, if you just want to explore, then you can go with the free version. Logos, banners, social media posters, thumbnails, some designs for your t-shirt, some designs for your product marketing. So there are a lot of things. This is the explore page. So these are the designs that are publicly published by other users. For example, if I click on any of this image, I will be able to see the prompt that is being used to create this image. And these are the other 4 options that are available for this image. See, you can see other details like the date of created, the style, the model used to create, the resolution, and here on top you will see the user. This is the name of the user. You can follow this user so that you will be able to see all the designs that they have created. Likewise, you can click on any of the creation and you will be able to see the prompt that is being used. Yeah, so here if you can see, this is the explore page where you will be seeing all the designs that are publicly available. Now if you go and check this following page, you will be seeing the images of people that you are following. So currently I'm not following anyone, so I don't have any images, but if you are following, then it would be here. Now on top there will be most popular images, like the images with most views. You can see the prompt as well, and these are the other designs that were available, but this was the cover design that is chosen by this user. So now let's go ahead and create an icon. I am entering my prompt over here. As you can see, this is my prompt. I am making a logo for my channel AI Elevate with Sheetal, and this is the details that I have given. I want it to be auto, 1:1, public, 1.0 is the model, and all these details I will keep as default, and I will click on generate. Now it will take some time to generate. As you can see here, the wait time that is displayed here is around 40 seconds. So we'll just wait for it to get created. So here you can see the designs. See, my prompt is futuristic AI logo with neon blue glow, sleek typography and an abstract brain design. Channel name is AI Elevate with Sheetal. Show the text properly and correctly. So here, see, if you'll explore more of the AI tools for image generation, you will realize that in most of the tools, there's always a problem with the text. So the spelling mismatch will be there or something like that. So you have to explicitly enter it in the prompt, and it will be generated like this. This is my, so there was a problem with the two, and so these are the two. I think this one looks great. Getting my prompt here. Beautiful logo with watermark, texture, script, font, and I will keep everything as default and I will click on generate. Here you can see the logo is ready because I have not given any name, so it is just taken it as randomly as beauty. So you can specify a name and then generate it, but I have for now just kept it random. Now I will show you an example of a banner for my channel, how I will be creating. This is my prompt, and because it's a banner, I will choose the aspect ratio as 16:9. I'll keep everything as default and click on generate. So these are the examples that I have here as per my prompt. This can be used as a banner or like the cover page for the YouTube channel. I will show one example of a thumbnail. Okay, this is my prompt. I'll just click on generate. I have kept everything as default. See, these are the thumbnails that they have given me. You can make changes as you want, but basically this is how you use it. I hope this was useful.
So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you would like to see more of such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye and take care.